Thank you, Tucker. Over 63,000 unaccompanied children have crossed the border this year alone, and now a coalition of sheriffs' organizations say, quote, the current illegal immigration crisis is spiraling out of control. So what is the situation now like on the ground? Joining us is the executive director of the Texas Border Sheriffs Association, Donald Ray. Donald, nice to see you this morning.
Good morning.
A coalition of the 5 sheriff's organizations released this position paper, basically calling on the federal government to make some changes. What did you ask for?
We asked for the federal government to work in partnership with the sheriffs along the border and throughout the United States, because this problem does not stop at the border. The program came together through, the catalyst was Sheriff Andy Lauterbach of the Sheriff's Association of Texas. He put together members of the National Sheriffs Association, the Western State Sheriffs Association, the Southwestern Border Sheriffs Coalition, and the Texas Border Sheriffs Coalition. And we provided not only a statement to the problem as seen by a consensus of the sheriffs, but we provided solutions for that problem.
Okay, among the solutions that you're proposing, no amnesty, revise the guest worker program, create a database to include DNA samples, fingerprints, and iris scans. What do you say to those who say, look, the number of these unaccompanied children, since we saw at a height during the summer, has fallen. They were at like 450 a day back in June. Now it's down to about 50 that are coming across the border, so things are getting better. What do you say to them?
We say that is good, but it's a temporary time. We do not know what's going to happen in the future, and the unaccompanied children is only part of the problem. The problem is they've been used as a diversion for other criminal activity. We have a deeper problem in that trans criminal organizations are utilizing these children. They're capitalizing on them, and as they are being smuggled through Mexico into the United States. And we have no idea of how vast a problem we have with the diversion created by these children just walking up and turning themselves in.
Now, you say it's been spiraling out of control. What do you mean by that? I mean, I assume a lot of this has to do with the way that the sheriff's office there has, basically you guys are turning into immigration officers.
Well, the sheriffs are not immigration officers, and they don't want to be immigration officers. What we deal with the side of the immigration problem is from a public safety standpoint. And that is what is critical to us as we look at the social, the economic, and the health impact within our communities.
Donald Ray, Executive Director of the Texas Border Sheriffs Association, with this new set of proposals out. We'll see where they get with the federal government and if the Obama administration is paying attention to you guys down there in Texas. Thanks so much, Donald.